Hi, Dylan from Clearbridge here, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can truly up your productivity and efficiency game with keyboard shortcuts. Now, if you're still using your mouse to right-click when you're cutting and copying and pasting, this video is for you. These simple keyboard shortcuts are going to save you a few seconds every single time you have to do one of those actions, which can compound into minutes to hours every week, month, or year. Okay, are you ready to work smarter and more efficiently? Let's do it. So the first thing we're going to learn how to do is cut with our keyboard shortcuts. So if you see this text down here, I'm going to highlight it with my mouse and I'm going to hit Control X and that cuts my text. Now I'm going to copy text. So highlight this text with my mouse and instead of right clicking, I hit Control C. That copies the text and then I'm going to paste the text right here. So I hit Control V with my keys and the text is pasted. Super quick and easy. No right clicking, no messing around. So let's cover those again. We had to cut text, Control X, to copy text, Control C, and to paste text, Control V. Now let's say you wanted to undo those changes you just made. Well, you all know about the undo, I'm sure, the undo function in Windows, but instead of right-clicking or trying to find your file menu, what you can do is just hit Control Z on your keyboard. So just over from the X, Control Z will undo the last action you just did. And you can repeat that several times depending on the application to get back to your original action. Now, if you want to redo your undo, you can hit Control Shift Z, and that will redo your last action you just undid, if you will. Now, if you wanted to select all of the text on your document all at once without highlighting it all with your mouse, just simply hit Control A, and that selects every single character on your document. Once you've got that selected, you can cut, copy, paste it, whatever you wish. All right, lastly, we're gonna do Control P, which will bring you to a print preview window. So if you wanna print, hit Control P, and that will open up your print preview in just about any app that you're using that has print capabilities. Now I want to show you one real massive game changer that I've used over and over every day with Windows 10, and that is the clipboard history function. It is so useful that you can see all of your history on your clipboard in one spot, at least up to about 20 of your past copied texts. So you go over to your start menu and type in clip and select clipboard settings from your start menu. That'll open up your settings panel, and under clipboard history, just make sure you select your history to be on. Once we close that, let's copy some text. I just copied that, Control C, and then I'm gonna copy this line here as well, Control C. Then now if I use my Windows and V keys, that will open up my clipboard history. As you can see here on my clipboard, I have those two most recent pieces of text that I've copied, and I can choose which one I want to paste in the next spot. Clipboard history has been a huge game changer for me in my everyday work life, and I'm pretty sure it will be for you as well. The more you use these keyboard shortcuts, the more you'll get used to them and really build up that muscle memory whenever you want to cut, copy, or paste anything. It'll come second nature to you. And if all of these shortcuts feel a little bit overwhelming, I mean, we just did learn 7 or 8 of them, just pick one and focus on learning one at a time. Maybe set a goal for 1 week to not use your mouse to copy something or to paste something for the whole week. Just use that one keyboard shortcut and you'll be surprised how quickly it'll become natural to you. If you like this video and you want to see more like these, just like and subscribe to our channel. We put out videos like this quite frequently. And stay tuned especially for our next video where we're going to be covering keyboard shortcuts for Google Chrome. Yes, there are some great keyboard shortcuts that Google has put in for Chrome users. So stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching today. I hope this was really helpful for you, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.